Welcome to this short video where I would like to explain you that there is no social welfare function in general. I have prepared a simple example for you, and I make a very simple society. There are three individuals in our society. I call them Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3. Okay? There are also three products in our society. Product A, product B, product C. So I have a very simple society made up of three people and three products. Okay, I say that my people, my persons, they have preferences. So let the preferences be relatively simple. Person number 1 prefers product A to product B to product C. Person number 2 prefers product B to product C to product A, and person number 3 prefers product C to product A to product B. I also assume that preferences are transitive. I have this here as a note. What does that mean? It means that if you prefer A to B, and if you tell me also that you prefer B to C, okay, then I can follow from that that you will also prefer A to C. Now that seems logical, but it is an axiom. So it is an assumption in a certain sense. Let's assume that that makes sense, and I think it does. So our persons here have all transitive preferences. Now suppose they are deciding together, using democracy, thus using majority voting, whether they want to consume together product A, product B, or product C. What's majority voting? Majority voting means that we vote on whether we prefer product A to product B. So I make a vote, that's vote number 1, whether people choose product A or product B. Majority voting means that I count the votes of each individual person. Now let me count the votes for product A. Okay, person number 1 prefers product A to product B. Thus, I have 1 vote for product A. Person number 2 prefers product B to product A. So I have 1 vote of person number 2 for product B. Person number 3 prefers product A to product B. Thus, I have a 2nd vote from person number 3 for product A. That's what do I have? I have 2 votes for A and 1 vote for B. Okay. So I can state that product A is preferred to product B in our society. Okay, 2 to 1. Let me now test whether people prefer product B to product C. Because you could say, if they prefer product B to product C, then I can derive that they will choose product A. Let's try that. I have person number 1 who will be preferring product B to product C. So I have 1 vote from person number 1. Person number 2 prefers product B to product C too. So I have a 2nd vote from person number 2 for product B. Person number 3 prefers product C to product A. So I have 1 vote from person number 3 for product C. Thus, I have 2 to 1 again. And now you could say, but you will be wrong. Now you could say that, well, if A wins against B and B wins against C, thus I conclude that A also wins against C. Okay? Let's check if this is really true. Let's count it, so let's test. Does C really win against A? Do people prefer A to C, or is it vice versa? Person number 1 will be preferring A to C. So I have 1 vote for A. Person number 2 is preferring C to A. Thus I have 1 vote for product A. Person number 3 is preferring C to A, so I have 2 votes for product C. Aha, 2 to 1. Interesting. Aha, strange. From this, it follows that C is preferred to A. And here is a contradiction. You see, in this extremely simple society with 3 individuals and 3 products, and with democracy, with majority voting, we do not get any clear majority voting results if preferences are transitive. Because one time it's A winning against B, then it's B winning against C, but then it's C winning against A. So we are in a voting cycle. There is no social welfare function in this society. Thank you very much for your attention.